Okay, so I have a Roku TV here that I'm going to restore to factory settings because I'm getting ready to give it away to somebody, and I wanted to show you guys exactly how to do this on the new operating system. So this is one of the newer Roku TVs. What you want to do over here, well, grab your remote control, go to the home button, it'll take you to the screen, but go over to the left-hand side and go to settings, right there. Then click over to the right, and then go all the way down to system, right there. Then click right again, and then you're going to go all the way down to advanced system settings, and then click to the right and go to factory reset. Click to the right again, and right there is on the second option is factory reset everything. And then what you're going to want to do is over here on the bottom right corner, there'll be a code, and mine says to please enter code 1550. Yours will probably be a little bit different, but you just put in that code number. All right, put in that code number and then click on OK. Then it's going to prompt you to start factory reset, and you'll just click on that. Now it says restarting, and just let it do its thing. Okay, then this will pop up here. Okay, and then you'll see the Let's Get Started screen, and it looks like it is, or it looks like what it was like when you first opened it out of the box. So that's how you factory reset your Roku TV.